So I didn't crop this one myself, but I can show you with this shirt and these scissors how to get this same effect. So let's do it. So first things first, you have to try it on. This is the perfect shirt to crop because I had this stain on it when I got it. So you want to figure out where you want it to cut off, right? So I would probably say if the belly button's here, you want it, what, like slightly above? So then you mark that with a pen, and then we're gonna take it off. Next step is laying your shirt completely flat. Make sure all the seams are aligned. And if you want to use a ruler or something to kind of show the line from the edge to the dot, you can. And now we're going to cut it. Okay, now we're going to cut it. These are fabric scissors. I obviously recommend that, but if you don't have them, that's okay. This might not be as clean of a cut. So the best thing about the kind of rolled edge look is that it doesn't really matter if you don't cut it perfectly clean because the rolled edge covers that up. So like I already made a little snap, but it'll be fine. I hope this turns out okay because once I do this, I can't do a second take, so I hope this works out. Filming wise, I mean. As you can see, I've given up on the folder, but okay, now it doesn't look great, and that's where the rolling technique comes in. So, one sec. Okay, so now I want to show you guys the rolling technique. So what you do is you take the edge of the shirt and you literally just start pulling at it with your fingers all over the edges, and you keep doing that over and over and over and over. Right? See how it's starting to curl up? I know this sounds so simple, and it's crazy that this works, but this is literally what you do. To get the rolled edge look, and it actually stays like that. Obviously, you want to, like, you know, flip your shirt around and do the same thing to the back. But like, so you can see the comparison for when it's not rolled versus the rolled edge look. So there you guys go. You can get this same effect so easily. You don't have to buy it in store. You can literally thrift a tee, even with the stain on it, and cut it and roll the edge. So I hope that helped. Let me know if you like this.